Okay, Joseph, here's my oscilloscope. I have the probe right there connected to channel 1. The little black alligator clip that is the ground is connected to the ground clip on the compensator, the calibration clip. The probe itself is connected to an alligator clip which goes to my voltmeter probe, which then I have plugged into the hot side of an AC outlet. And of course, this part of the alligator clip that's bare, you need to be careful because that's 120 volts AC right there. All right, so looking at the oscilloscope, you have it plugged into channel 1. And the first thing you need to do is look at the channel 1 menu, which if you push that button, this little menu over here will come up. You want AC coupling, so we'll change that to AC. You want the probe to be 10x. You can change it to 100x, 1000x, 1x, but we want it to be 10x because that's what our probe, there's a little switch on the probe right there underneath you can't see that says 1x and 10x. I have it set to 10x. That needs to match what's on the screen here. Okay, now you can adjust the volts per division on here. You can see down on the lower left, I have it currently set to 50 volts per division. You can change that by adjusting this knob right here, where it can go up and down. I have it all the way down, which means it's 50 volts per division. And one thing that I had forgotten about from my engineering days is that 120 volts AC is actually 340 volts peak to peak. So we've got 170 volts going up, negative 170 volts going down. And the time division is adjusted by this knob right here, seconds per division. And if you don't get a nice looking wave, for example, you get something that looks like this, you can adjust this knob to get it to look nice and trigger correctly. The other nice thing about this oscilloscope is that it has a measure button, which is this button right here. And if I click on that, it gives little measurements about the waveform, and one of them is frequency. So I think that's what you want to look for to see what your frequency is, and then adjust what you need to adjust and see if you can get that to 60 hertz. The other thing that you can look at is what the actual voltage is, and you can press one of these buttons to change the measurement that's done. Let's see if I can find the RMS voltage, which is the mean square voltage. Peak RMS, there we go. So cycle RMS, that's the actual 120 volts AC. Mine's at about 123 right now. So that's all there is to it.